don't know the name of the anchorage, but we are in Favignana, Sicily, finally. 4 anchorages we tried because they are all packed with 1,000 boaters. So yeah, we didn't know it was going to be this busy. But
we found this one.
Yeah.
And it's not half bad. Apparently there's a bit of party at nighttime, but a few bits of techno music, but we'll have to see how that pans out.
Yeah.
But we've got the beautiful castle there behind James.
Amazing.
Yeah, so it's pretty good all over. And we were just waiting for that boat to leave. And then once that boat leaves, we're going to actually pull forward so we're a little bit closer. This is kind of a reminder of Old Yellow.
This is for you, Carl.
After spending some time in Favignana, we decide to head off and check the island just north, Levanto. This time, whilst pulling up anchor, we decide to switch up roles.
What did you do?
This is the bow roller. It was just dangling here, and so like I inched it, and then I gave it, and the thing hit, and then I proceeded to like pull it up. But when I pulled it up, for some reason it kicked. When it kicked, it went sideways, and when it went, the shank, the big long part, right? The big long. The shank went flat, and when it went flat, it just slid off the. You got the 2 pieces of the bow roller. It slid and went like that and just slid right off the bow roller.
You were going too fast.
I must have.
You don't just yank it up. You've got to like kind of do it like.
Yeah, well I found that out now. So when it bounced over, it went around and it hit the nose of the boat. So there's a little.
So it's all damaged.
No, it's just one chunk, but I have to. I'll fix it up easy enough. I've got the joke. So I'm just annoyed at myself.
Yeah, I guess you're not doing that again.
No, I'll keep doing it again.
After our little mishap, everything is soon forgotten as we arrive at the Blue Grotto. The water at this special place will be difficult to ever forget.
We have arrived at this spectacular anchorage called Bew Marine, and it's full of all these old grottos and quarry caves and all that. And we're gonna go snorkel as many of those as we possibly can, and we have anchored in this stunning blue water on sand, so pretty good. We are fighting this cat right behind us. We were literally lining up about to drop the hook, and he came charging in like the charter he is and just dropped his hook right in front of us. So but we didn't care. We just scooted around him, and there's fighter jets. Wow, that's a whole squadron of fighter jets. There's no way you're gonna pick those up on camera. But anyways, we're gonna jump in the water because this looks freaking awesome.
Get to Levanto only to discover there are no areas where anchoring is authorized. Therefore, we sail around and then make our way back to our previous anchorage in Favignana.
Alright guys, so an exciting day today on Zephyr. We are going to install our new bridal system, and we're really excited to put this into play and retire the old snubber because Matt says it's looking pretty bad now. So yeah, let's unpackage this and see what it looks like. Instructions, we don't need those. One gigantic, massive, oversized carabiner. I'm guessing that's for mooring balls. first things first, we have an enormous chain hook. I mean, this thing is easily twice the size of our last one. And again, like the swivel, it has one of these huge shackles. I mean, these things are massive. So immediately, like, super heavy, super robust, and I think will instill a lot of confidence when we anchor if there's bad weather. Now this chain hook, which is really cool, is it has this little strap that you can fold over like that around the chain. So I guess so it doesn't pop off. So, and then so these things here, this is some chafe protection against the side of the boat, which is really good because Nat created such an amazing logo and we have them on both sides of the boat, and we'd hate for that to get torn up by the rope. So these should protect the side of our hull nicely, and they feel really good, really durable. And then there's more chafe protection. So you can see the two lines come down and are spliced into a single one that also has more chafe protection on it, so that's really good. And then into the chain hook. I mean, immediately, like, I'm so impressed with the build quality. This thing is, I feel much safer at anchor now. So we have our old snubber on here at the moment. I think what we'll do is we'll wind this one up, take it off, and try putting the new snubber on. What do you say, Nat?
Yeah, let's go.
All right, let's do it. Well, good morning, everybody. It's a beautiful day again. It's Tuesday morning, and we were due to stay here another day, but we're gonna get out of here. We went to one of the other Aegadian Islands yesterday, but there's no anchoring there. It's all mooring balls. Obviously, the mistake we made is we bought the anchoring pass for the marine park, and we should have bought the mooring ball pass. I don't think it was a lot more, but it would have made it more possible to see other parts of the islands. So we've been a little bit limited. So in light of that, we're gonna get out of here and start heading towards Cefalu, just past Palermo. We'll probably stop at a little cove about halfway along to break up the journey. But I'm gonna jump in the water and go for a swim, because that's just what you do when you wake up. Oh yeah.
Clouds and thunders standing in my way. I must try to figure it out anyway.
Well, we've made it to the anchorage, guys. We are on the northwestern tip of Sicily. You can see this incredible background, these huge rock cliffs behind us. We were warned this anchorage could be rolly, and it is not failing to deliver. Anybody that's anchored out front of Simpson Bay Lagoon on the Dutch side will know how violent that is. And this isn't...
I just checked on the anchor, it's all good.
Anchor's all good. Well, how does this compare to that Simpson Bay one? It's pretty close, isn't it?
It's close. I haven't been downstairs yet.
So we're trying to decide, because one of the reasons we stopped here was because we need fuel badly. So we're debating whether to just get fuel, maybe have some food, just rest for a little bit, and then do the 14 hours to Cefalu, which is past Palermo. All we can hear is everything moving downstairs right now. Or spend the night and leave early in the morning. So We'll see. I mean, the other option is we can chuck out a stern anchor. There's not going to be any wind, so I'm not worried about the wind broadsiding us or anything. So we could throw the stern anchor out, nose onto these waves, and we'd probably be pretty darn comfortable. So, have to see here.
Have we done that before?
No, we haven't. Not the stern anchor. We've tied stern to when we were in Ibiza once, but that was it. So, all right, we'll have a think, guys, and we'll let you know. First things first, we got to go get some petrol. So.
Well, James, you got your work cut out for you. Doing it in this, filling up the fuel in this bay.
The rolliest anchorage, and I gotta put fuel on the boat.
Yeah.
We had debated taking the boat to the fuel dock, but I think we would have damaged the boat.
I think we would have too. Not bad, not bad.
That ridge, boom, 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 you hit the top and then fall all the way up. But that would be like some nice climbing within my grade.
I wouldn't be able to climb that.
You probably could. You'd be scared beyond your life, but if you got over the fear, you definitely have the technical ability to.
What do you think of this place, eh?
I think this is my new favorite place in Sicily. Yeah, so this like town has got, what, 200 degrees of mountains all around it. It's insane. I certainly like this more than the islands, Favignana and Lavanzo, whatever it's called. This place is so cool.
The next morning we set off for Cefalu. It's a 12-hour journey across the top of Sicily. Despite the impending weather all around us, Sicily's landscape still delivers.
Are you so excited about?
Because all sneaky Nat just whipped up this tuna curry that looks banging good. That is so awesome.
Hopefully. You haven't tasted it yet.
Oh, it's so hot. That's the only problem with the bamboo.
But I must try to figure it out alone. Yeah, I must try to figure it out alone. And now, ooh, when you're gone.
It's our first rainstorm, hey babe?
Yeah. Summer thunderstorm.
Summer thunderstorm.
I'm still so young now. Ooh, when you're gone.
It is literally a semicircle of rain, like a horseshoe.
It's crazy right now.
It's a horseshoe of rain that's about to gobble us up. Here it comes.
Hey. What happened?
Oh, I thought it hurt. Oh my god, it's coming from both sides and just. I think this is like number 3 or number 4 that swallowed us up.
Amy is getting full.
Oh, she's so full of water right now.
I'll be able to do my laundry in there later.
We've got 2 hours to go. Oh my god.
I know things won't be the same no more, I'm sure. It'll take a while 'cause I'm still so young now. Ooh, when you're gone. Ooh, I know I still have a long way to walk, I'm sure. It'll take a while to reach the golden shore.
Hey guys, so we just thought we'd check in. We're just about to pull into the anchorage now. The sun's just starting to set behind us. This is Cefalu. So it's got a lot of history. It looks, I mean, I'm staring at it right now as we're coming in. It looks incredible. So I'm pretty darn excited. So anyways, I'll leave you with this sunset while we get ready to drop the hook. Good morning, guys. It is Thursday morning. We made it literally 2 minutes before dark last night, and we anchored in Capo Cefalu. 5 minutes in Cefalu, and
yeah, it's already just jaw-dropping, isn't it?
it's epic.
Join us next week as we swap life on the water to one on land as we get to roam the streets of Cefalu, one of our favorite places up till now.
This is the quietest this street has been.
If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing so you can join the adventure each week aboard Zephyr.